Okay, so you can tell me more about the new update that Nikon's planning to release soon, and pretty much how it's going to affect the new Z line coming in the future.
Well, there's a couple of updates here that we're talking about that we're highlighting at the booth. First and foremost, we're announced we're going to have raw video support, and that will be featured through the Atomos Ninja 5, but on our Nikon Z7 and Z6 cameras. And while there's not much I can say about it because the information is quite limited, it's really exciting because it opens up the door for videographers who will have the benefit of what I know as a still photographer, which is that when you're shooting raw, I can change exposure, I can change white balance, and I've got total control over that final image. And now with video, you'll have that capability through the Z6 and Z7 to do that. So we're really excited. We think it's a really big deal for anyone out there shooting video. And I know people out there shooting video are chomping at the bit, so that's really cool. Second thing that we announced, as far as firmware, is for the Z cameras as well, is that we'll have support for IAF. So this is, we've got face priority in our cameras, and IAF is a hot button of interest in the marketplace right now. And it's a feature that's Nikon has considered, and we'll finally have an update on that. I can't tell you when and when that'll happen, but I'm excited for that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
it's a great technology. We think it's going to really boost the capabilities of our Z system cameras.
With sports photographer and
the announcement of CF Express. We have such a great memory card system in our Z cameras. Using XQD, really fast throughput, fast read-write speeds, and really great for shooting 4K video and things like that. Now we'll have, using the same form factor as the XQD, it'll have CF Express CF Express update, and that will enable even faster read-write speeds and higher memory capacities on these cameras. So great for the high resolution Z7, great for the video qualities of Z6 and Z7. So we're excited about those things. I wish I could tell you more. We can't say more about those things now, but we'll roll it out soon enough to let people know what's going on. Then at the show, we're highlighting brand new lens. This is one of the lenses that was featured on the Nikon roadmap when the Z7 and Z6 were introduced. It's the Nikon Z 14 to 30 f4S lens. I've got it on my Z7 now. It's really compact. It's a 14 to 30. But what's really exciting about it is it's the world's first full frame lens starting at 14mm that you can actually add a filter. You know, if you know anything about our lenses and the lenses that are in the marketplace, you'll see that those front elements are really quite curved and big, and you really can't add filters other than some sort of adapter. Right here, 82mm, you can add neutral density, you can add polarizers. Very important for videographers who want to control exposure. Very important for still photographers who want to do time exposures and things like that, which I do. I love it. The lens, 14 to 30, I just love the focal length. I use the 14 to 24 on my DSLRs, but this is super compact. It's got the new lock mechanism that we have on the 2470. Just turn it, it unlocks, which is great. It's got 4 ED elements, 4 aspheric elements, so the lens is really well corrected for distortion, for chromatic aberration. It's got 4 in code on the front surface, so it protects it against the elements. So if you're out in a damp environment, dusty environment, you can just get that stuff right off your lens. And it's got nano crystal coat, which gives you really high contrast and really blocks any kind of ghosting and flare. So when you think about all those things on a Z system camera, it really makes a really nice package. And so we'll be rolling out more lenses, and as the time goes on, and we'll be building up the Z system. The other thing we announced is also very exciting for videographers up there. You know, whether you're new to video space or whether you're experienced, but you haven't experienced the Nikon Z cameras yet, we have the Nikon Z6 Filmmakers kit. So the Z6 Filmmakers kit will come with the Z6 24 to 70 Z lens. It'll come with an FTZ adapter, so if you already own some Nikon lenses, you can put them on there. It'll come with an extra battery, so you'll get 2 batteries. It'll come with a Rode Pro mic, so you'll have great sound quality. It'll come with a Moza Air 2 stabilizer, so you can be walking and doing kinds of cool things with your video. And it'll come with the Atomos Ninja 5, which we talked about, the Pro Raw, and that'll be just fantastic to be able to use the Atomos Ninja 5 together. That's a savings when you buy that bundle. It's going to be $39.99. That's a savings of $1,200 from just buying each of the individual components. And on top of that, with the video kit, you get a year subscription to Vimeo Pro. and you get access to Nikon's on-school video learning series, in this case with Nikon Ambassador Chris Hirschman, and you learn all about how to make rock videos. So even if you don't make rock videos, what he talks about, how to shoot video, how to control light, how to control exposure, all that, super important. You should be able to take away a whole bunch of information from that. The 14 to 30 will be $12.99.95. And the Z6 Filmmakers kit, like I said, will be $39.99.95, saving about $1,200 from buying all the individual components. We're excited here. The crowds are really excited about it. People are reacting to it in a positive way, so take it away.
Perfect. I have a quick question. With Nikon releasing the new Filmmakers kit and things like the new update that supports RAW video support and also the new 14 to 30, is Nikon looking to really, I guess, getting more into the video market compared to like, you see like how Panasonic and kind of Sony are leading the market? Nikon's always just been traditionally like not so focused on video. Is that kind of their new, I guess their plans for the new Z system is kind of focused more on the video side of things as well?
Are you still rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, think about this for a second. So, in 2007 or so, I might be off of the year, we came out with the D90 camera, the world's first DSLR with video feature. It's a 720 video. So for a company that didn't have a DNA in video, we were the first to put video in the camera. But we realized we had a lot to learn about video. Our DNA is still photography. And so we've been, with each model, learning more and more about what video capabilities are, how to make it better. The form factor, the way that the mirrorless Z cameras work really lends itself to shooting video. The fact that I can look into the EVF, hold a camera in a natural way like I hold an SLR or a DSLR and shoot video is a bonus.
Ladies and gentlemen,
a lot of people are afraid to get into video because they don't like doing it. Still have that capability, but you have this new ability.
Talking about
Plus,
capturing moments
you have the
Z6,
which has
into sports and action,
4K
whether you're
full frame
photographing the
at
kids
full
around the
pixel
neighborhood or
so you
are
get
photographing
really high
pros in an
quality
arena.
video.
Rod's going to talk to you about making the best
gives you
possible
fantastic image
photos.
quality 4K,
right here
but you only get the full pixel readout when you go into the crop mode. So they're very capable cameras, and they've got fantastic features. One of the other things that the Z lenses enables, especially for videographers, is the lack of focus breathing. I mean, I love cinema, I love movies. When you look at the great movies, what Scorsese and what other people are doing, and they transition from focusing from someone close to someone in the background, you don't get a shift in what appears to be focal length or a change in composition. That's focus breathing. With the Z lenses, it's virtually eliminated. So that's a really big deal. The new lenses have a control ring on them. I can program the control ring to manually focus, which is totally silent, which is great, or I can control exposure compensation. So I could be shooting video and just rotating this ring and controlling exposure compensation that I'm shooting. So the Z cameras, even more so than our DSLRs, and the DSLRs are incredibly capable. You know, D850's got great video quality, great video features. The D5's got great video performance. Our DX cameras give you tremendous features. D7500's got 4K. D500, these are really capable cameras. But this type of package really gives users a great way to shoot video. So, like I said before, whether you're new to video, whether you're experienced video, but you haven't gotten into Z yet, the Z6 Filmmakers kit is really going to be a great offering for us to get into video. So yeah, we understand the importance of video. YouTubers, bloggers, travelers, we know people want to shoot video. And you know what the bonus is, folks? You get great Nikon still cameras out of these when you got your video. So yeah, all the way around, it's really a cool thing.
Yeah,